Good morning, my tiny tots. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, I am your Harjeet ma'am. Today in maths, we will learn number 20. So, are you ready? Yes, yes, yes. But before that, we will quickly revise numbers 1 to 19. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, and the last is 1, 9, 19. Now it's time to learn new number, that is 20. 20, 20, 20, 20. Yes. Let's count some objects and learn number 20. In this picture, we have some cars. Now, let's count how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and the last is 20. There are 20 cars. In this picture, we have some caps. Now let's count how many caps are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 caps. Now it's time for practice worksheet. So let's see. In this worksheet, you have to count and color the balloons. Yes, and also color the number 20. Okay children, keep practicing at home. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.